I'll show you how to quickly find which types of Verizon Home Internet, like Fios, 5G Home, or LTE, are available at your address. For Verizon Fios Home Internet, go to the link in the video description, enter your address, select the correct option from the list, and click on Get Started. If Fios isn't available in your area, Verizon will ask you to submit your info so they can notify you when it becomes available. Otherwise, you'll see the available plans page, just like I'm showing here for another location. Now I'm changing the address and entering a new one. Go ahead and click on Get Started. As you can see, a message shows up. Good news! Verizon Home Internet Lite is available at your address. That means you can activate a plan at this location. If you're not sure about the speed or service, you can go with a 30-day free trial. Or you can take advantage of Verizon's 30-day money-back guarantee, along with a $100 Amazon gift offer. If you're still not sure which Verizon Home Internet type is available, here's another easy way to check. Go to verizon.com/coverage-map/. Enter your address or just use My Location to auto-detect it. As you can see, Verizon Home Internet Lite Wi-Fi backup is available at this address. At another address, Verizon 5G is available, but Fios is not. So this is a simple way to check what service you can get in your area. That's it. Hope you found this method helpful for checking Verizon Home Internet availability at your address. Don't forget to like and drop a comment if you've got any questions.